Southern California wildfire, tens of thousands evacuate as Palisades blaze doubles in size and second fire breaks out. The Pacific Palisades fire swept through an affluent Los Angeles hillside home to celebrity residences Tuesday, burning homes and prompting evacuation orders. In the haste to get to safety, roads were clogged and people were forced to abandon their vehicles and flee on foot. The Eaton fire The Eaton fire in Altadena started near a nature preserve just before 6:30 p.m., Associated Press reports. Flames spread so rapidly staff at a senior care center reportedly pushed dozens of residents in wheelchairs and hospital beds down the street. The Los Angeles Fire Department has appealed for off-duty firefighters to help fight the flames that were being pushed by winds topping 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers.
You're flying right over that thing. The whole entire hills are on fire. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Winds topping 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour in some places. It was too windy for firefighting aircraft to fly, hampering the fight against the flames. California Governor Gavin Newsom had visited the area affected and said he found not a few, but many structures already destroyed. A Santa Ana windstorm is expected to increase overnight and continue for days, producing isolated gusts that could top 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour in mountains and foothills, including in areas that haven't seen substantial rain in months. The city of Malibu urges all residents not currently under evacuation orders to be prepared to evacuate. If you require additional time to evacuate, or if you have pets or livestock, consider making preparations to leave now. It says that 6 evacuation shelters are in operation, 3 of which can take people with animals. US media are reporting 2 further fires in the area have developed, and that firefighters are now responding to 4 different fires. The Tamarack Fire and the Sylmar Fire are both in suburbs in the San Fernando Valley.